Namaste. Virtual welcome everyone to Sushil Mathur Bhavan. Let's begin our function with Ganesh Puja at Sushil Mathur Bhavan.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the HMK Guidance Bureau and Counseling Center, I, Revati Mathur, convener, extend a warm welcome to all of you to the Foresight 2020. I take the privilege to invite the President, Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur, to take his seat on the dais. I wish to invite the Vice Presidents, Mrs. Geeta Karan and Mrs. Asha Kumar, to take their seats on the dais. I now request Organizing Secretary Planning, Dr. Manoj Chandra, and Organizing Secretary Administration, Dr. Sujita Mathur, to escort our Chief Guest for Foresight 2020, Dr. Kavita Karan, and take their seats on the dais. I now request our Treasurer, Mr. Kiran Kishore, and the Chairperson of Guidance Bureau and Counseling Center, Dr. Sulochana, to take their seats on the dais. I thank all the dignitaries for gracing the occasion and being a source of inspiration to our young Biradari talent. It is my pleasure to honor our chief guest, Dr. Kavita Karan, with a bouquet. The aim of Foresight 2020 is to honor and motivate our young Biradari talent in the field of education from KG to PG for achieving more laurels and reaching greater heights. This year, 61 students are going to receive 110 certificates of academic excellence. Now let's begin the event with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, followed by a prayer by Nishka and Mihika.
नमामितं विनायकं न वेदराते भीकरं न बोधितात्मभास्वरं नमस्कुरारि नित्यरं न चादिकापलुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं यतीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निधस्तदैत्यकुञ्जनं धरे धरोधरं वरं वरे भवत्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुराकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृता नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनो विभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्भचर्पणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्भचर्पणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणं निदान्तकान्तिदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनं जीवनं कृदन्तते निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्
May I now request our Honorable President, Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur, to deliver his presidential welcome address.
Good evening and welcome, dear Biradri members. Education and welfare are two important aspects of our society. The strength of Kayastha's is education. That is the reason why most of the Mathur Kayasthas are educated and accomplished. I am proud to say that they enjoy high positions and respect in different fields like administration, medicine, engineering, IT, teaching, banking, business, etc., not only in India but also globally. The Hyderabad Mathur caste community is known for almost 10% literacy. Every year, the GBCC of HMK Education and Welfare Society organizes the scholarship and awards function for the meritorious students of our Biradri to encourage and inculcate in them the spirit of competitiveness. This is possible because of our Biradri members have instituted these scholarships and awards. I sincerely thank them as it goes a long way in encouraging our young students. This function is organized on a grand scale annually at Mathur Bhavan, but this year, for the first time, we are having it online. Today we have invited Dr. Kavita Karan as the chief guest. She is a successful academician with a wide range of teaching, research and administrative experience in different parts of the world. I am sure our younger generation will be inspired by her. I would like to congratulate all the awardees and wish them success in future. I take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. Sulochana and her dedicated team who have organized this program today along with the coordinated effort of Dr. Manoj Chandra. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur, for those motivational words of wisdom. Now, let's begin the felicitation for classes 1 to 9.
HMK Education and Welfare Society takes great pride and honor to award certificates of academic excellence at school level for classes 1 to 9 to all students securing a distinction with an aggregate score above 80%. In Class 1 category, Anvi, daughter of Mr. Kapil Sen. Arav, son of Mr. Aminish. Avisha, daughter of Mr. Vijay Kumar. Anvita, daughter of Mr. Rahul Narayan. In Class 2 category, Anish, son of Mr. Ranjit Mathur. Arna, daughter of Mr. Ankit Raj. In Class 3 category, Kanika, daughter of Mr. Anshu Raj. Nirvi, daughter of Mr. Vivek Sagar. Manasvi, daughter of Mr. Suneet Chand. Aryan, son of Mr. Nilesh Kumar. In Class 4 category, Amiti, daughter of Mr. Akshay Raj. Nishka, daughter of Mr. Nachiket. Vriddhi, daughter of Mr. Amresh Raj. In Class 5 category, Arnav, son of Mr. Ranjit Mathur. Shubhang, son of Mr. Tarun Kumar. Niyati, daughter of Mr. Deepesh Mohanlal. Sanchi, daughter of Mr. Rinesh Mohanlal. Ayan, son of Dr. Anirudh Kumar. Anika, daughter of Mr. Vivek Raj. Sajeev, son of Mr. Shiv Raj. Adit, son of Mr. Ankit Kumar. In Class 6 category, Muskan, daughter of Mr. Prajay Mathur. Ayushman, son of Mr. Prajay Mathur. Sonal, daughter of Mr. Brijesh Mohanlal. Shlok, son of Mr. Santosh Mathur. Manya, daughter of Mr. Suneet Chand. In Class 7 category, Neeti, daughter of Mr. Navneet Mathur. Arnav, son of Mr. Manish Bahadur. In Class 8 category, Ruhi, daughter of Mr. Vishal Karan. Sanvi, daughter of Mr. Nilesh Kumar. In Class 9 category, Adit, son of Mr. Amit Raj. Purvi, daughter of Mr. Prameet Raj. HMK Education and Welfare Society congratulates all the students and wishes them good luck in all their future endeavors. HMK Education and Welfare Society sponsored awards at school level from classes 1 to 9 awarded to students securing highest marks in the specified category. Baby Dia Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 1 donated by Mr. Rupesh Kumar goes to Anvita, daughter of Rahul Narayan. Baby Dia Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 2 donated by Mr. Rupesh Kumar goes to Anish, son of Ranjit Mathur. Anand Kishan Narayan Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 3 donated by Mr. Nilesh Mathur goes to Nirvi, daughter of Vivek Sagar. Srimati Usha Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 4 donated by Mr. Ashok Kumar goes to Amity, daughter of Akshay Raj. Srimati Shakuntala Devi Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 5 donated by Mr. Kesar Raj goes to Shubhang, son of Tarun Kumar. Srimati Sudha Devi Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 6 donated by Mrs. Smita Pratap goes to Muskan, daughter of Prajay Mathur. Shri Shanti Chandra Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 7 donated by Mrs. Swena Kumar goes to Arnav, son of Manish Bahadur. Sri Har Kishore Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 8 donated by Mr. Inder Kishore is not awarded since 2 students were promoted with distinction but reports data is not available. Srimati Pushpa Pratap Memorial Award for highest marks in Class 9 donated by late Dr. Rabinandan Pratap goes to Adit, son of Amit Raj. HMK Education and Welfare Society congratulates all the recipients for their exemplary academic performance.
I now invite the chairperson, Dr. Sulochana Mathur, to deliver the annual report of the Guidance Bureau and Counseling Center.
Good evening, everyone. President HMK Education and Welfare Society, Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur, Chief Guest, Dr. Kavita Karan, Office Bearers, members of Managing Committee, guests, donors, recipients of the awards, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of Guidance Bureau and Counseling Center of HMK, welcome you all for the annual Awards Scholarship Function, Foresight 20. The year 2021 has been a unique year, a year like never before, a year challenging the normal situation, but we haven't stopped. We accepted the situation, faced the challenges, and moved ahead. Whenever we want to see any change, we must always lead from the front. If each one of us takes responsibility with compassion, care, and reverence towards the society, we can cross the threshold with ease. I am so happy to see that we all have adopted so well to the new norms. This platform has enabled us to take our event local to global. I thank members of our society who have come forward to institute merit awards at different levels to encourage our students. I am happy to share that we have revived Talent of Tomorrow Scholarship. The scholarship is sponsored by Rupesh and Avinish in memory of their mother, Sarojini Devi Mathur. It's heartening to see the substantial increase in the number of recipients. The increase in number year after year shows the hard work, dedication, and competition among students. I congratulate all the recipients and wish them all the best. This year, some of the students may have lost their awards due to not submitting memos or reports in time. I once again inform you that the same should be submitted within time to avoid disappointment. I acknowledge with thanks the support and efforts put in by convener Revati, members Ramraj, Swati, Rajita, Swati, Rinesh and Pranita. A special thanks to our President Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur for his valuable suggestions, Dr. Manoj Chandra, Organizing Secretary Planning, for all support, help and taking care of preparing more than 100 plus digital certificates and compiling the entire program. It was for sure a Herculean task. I thank the Managing Committee members of HMK and all the Bradri members present to make the program a great success. I once again welcome you all and thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sulochana, for an insightful report. Now let's move on with the felicitation from Class 10 to Intermediate.
HMK Education and Welfare Society sponsored awards at Class 10 to Intermediate Plus 2 level awarded to students securing highest marks in the specified category. Sri Harsh Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in SSC Class 10 donated by Dr. Rupender Parshad goes to Arushi, daughter of Sanjesh Mathur. Sri Yuraj Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in SSC Class 10 in special category donated by Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur goes to Sumit, son of Alok Mathur. Sri Vidya Sagar Memorial Award for highest marks in CBSE Class 10 donated by late Srimati Gyan Sagar goes to Shrey, son of Santosh Mathur. Srimati Lajwanti Memorial Award for highest marks in CBSE Class 10 donated by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mathur goes to Krishnav, son of Gokul Karan. Srimati Sabita Memorial Award for highest marks in ICSE Class 10 donated by Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur goes to Vivek, son of Nitesh Kumar. Sri Har Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in ICSE Class 10, donated by Dr. Rupender Parshad, is shared by Gauri, daughter of Akhil Mohan Lal, and Tanuj, son of Sharad Mathur. Shri Satguru Narayan Memorial Award for highest marks in Mathematics SSC, donated by Dr. Suresh Narayan, goes to Arushi, daughter of Sanjesh Mathur. Shri Mateshwari Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in Mathematics ICSE, donated by Shri Ishwari Parshad, is shared by Vivek, son of Nitesh Kumar, and Gauri, daughter of Akhil Mohan Lal. Shri Satguru Narayan Memorial Award for highest marks in Mathematics CBSE, donated by Dr. Suresh Narayan, goes to Shrey, son of Santosh Mathur. Shri Bishan Kumar Memorial Award for highest marks in English SSC, donated by Srimati Brijvanti, goes to Arushi, daughter of Sanjesh Mathur. Shri Lakshmidhar Pratap Memorial Award for highest marks in English ICSE, donated by Srimati Maharaj Pratap, goes to Tanuj, son of Sharad Mathur. Shri Dharam Sagar Memorial Award for highest marks in English CBSE, donated by Srimati Deep Sagar, goes to Krishnav, son of Gokul Karan. Shri Ganesh Chandra Memorial Award for highest marks in Social Studies SSC, donated by Dr. Yuvraj Chandra, goes to Arushi, daughter of Sanjesh Mathur. Srimati Lajvanti Memorial Award for highest marks in Social Studies ICSE, donated by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mathur, goes to Tanuj, son of Sharad Mathur. Srimati Lajvanti Memorial Award for highest marks in Social Studies ICSE, donated by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mathur, is shared by Shrey, son of Santosh Mathur, and Prachi, daughter of Rajesh Mohan Lal. Srimati Jaya Devi Memorial Award for highest marks in General Science SSC, donated by Mr. Suchit Mohan Lal, goes to Arushi, daughter of Sanjesh Mathur. Shri Romesh Chand Memorial Award for highest marks in General Science ICSE, donated by Dr. Nishi Narayan, goes to Vivek, son of Nitesh Kumar. Shri Romesh Chand Memorial Award for highest marks in General Science CBSE, donated by Dr. Nishi Narayan, goes to Anchal, daughter of Vikas Raj. Shri Bharat Ramji Memorial Award for highest marks in Hindi Class 10, donated by HMK Education and Welfare Society, goes to Shrey, son of Santosh Mathur. Shri Lal Bahadur Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 1 MPC, donated by Mr. Sham Raj, goes to Pranav, son of Nitin Mohan Lal. Srimati Maharaj Kishori Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 1 BPC, donated by Mr. Sailesh Bali. There is no recipient. Dr. Saubhagya Sundari Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 1 MEC or CEC, donated by Mr. Sham Raj, goes to Darsh, son of Brijesh Mohan Lal. Srimati Shanti Devi Memorial Award for highest marks in Mathematics Inter 1, donated by Mrs. Preeti Mathur, goes to Ayushi, daughter of Udayvant Mathur. Shri Pratap Mohan Lal Memorial Award for highest marks in Physics Inter 1, donated by Mr. Suchit Mohan Lal, goes to Pranav, son of Nitin Mohan Lal. Shri Nar Narayan Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in biology Inter 1 donated by late Mr. Vijay Kishan Sinha. There is no recipient. Shri Prem Raj Mathur Memorial Award for highest marks in economics and commerce Inter 1 donated by Mr. Vinod Raj goes to Darsh, son of Brijesh Mohan Lal. Srimati Rama Rani Memorial Award for highest marks in English Inter 1 donated by Dr. H.M. Lal goes to Pranav, son of Nitin Mohan Lal. Srimati Vijay Devi Memorial Award for highest marks in second language Inter 1 donated by Mrs. Jayanti Mathur is shared by Sukriti, daughter of Vikas Raj, and Ayushi, daughter of Udayvant Mathur. Srimati Devi Rani and Shri Narendra Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 2 MPC donated by Mr. Anand Sagar goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Shri Kesari Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 2 BPC donated by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mathur goes to Sakshi, daughter of Rajesh Mohan Lal. Shri Prem Raj Mathur Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 2 CEC or MEC donated by Mr. Vinod Raj goes to Tarushi, daughter of Tarun Kumar. Shri Shiv Mohan Lal Memorial Award for highest marks in mathematics Inter 2 donated by Dr. H.M. Lal goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Shri Prem Sagar Memorial Award for highest marks in English Inter 2 donated by late Srimati Gyan Sagar goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Shri Anand Kumar Memorial Award for highest marks in physics Inter 2 donated by Mrs. Madhu Rajiv Kumar goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Shri Kesari Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in chemistry Inter 2 donated by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mathur goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Shri Kesari Parshad Memorial Award for highest marks in biology Inter 2 donated by Mr. Manoj Kumar Mathur goes to Sakshi, daughter of Rajesh Mohan Lal. Shri Tej Narayan Memorial Award for highest marks in economics Inter 2 donated by late Mr. Subhash Narayan goes to Tarushi, daughter of Tarun Kumar. Shri Iqbal Chand Memorial Award for highest marks in commerce Inter 2 donated by late Srimati Iqbal Chand goes to Nipun, son of Sudeep Narayan. Shri Shiv Mohan Lal Memorial Award for highest marks in second language Inter 2 donated by Dr. H.M. Lal goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. HMK Education and Welfare Society congratulates all the recipients for their remarkable academic performance. Moving forward, we have Srimati Sarojini Devi Memorial Talent of Tomorrow Scholarship. This year, 8 students of Class 10 receive this scholarship. This scholarship is donated by Mr. Rupesh and Mr. Avnish. This year, the students receiving the scholarship are Arushi, daughter of Sanjesh Mathur, Shrey, son of Santosh Mathur, Krishna, son of Gokul Karan, Vivek, son of Nitesh Kumar, Tanuj, son of Sharad Mathur, Gauri, daughter of Akhil Mohan Lal, Prachi, daughter of Rajesh Mohan Lal, and Anchal, daughter of Vikas Raj. Now, we present the highest awards at intermediate plus 2 level awarded to a boy and girl securing highest marks in intermediate. Raja Sham Karan Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 2 boy, donated by Raja Sham Karan and Rani Kalavati Memorial Trust, goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Rani Kalavati Memorial Award for highest marks in Inter 2 girl, donated by Raja Sham Karan and Rani Kalavati Memorial Trust, goes to Sakshi, daughter of Rajesh Mohan Lal. HMK Education and Welfare Society congratulates all the recipients for their continuous academic excellence.
Now let's move on with the felicitation at the higher education level.
Now let's move on to the awards at the senior college level awarded to students securing highest marks or ranks in the specified category. Shri Bridjivan Chandra Memorial Award for high rank in NEET graduation level, donated by Dr. Manoj Chandra, goes to Sejal, daughter of Sudeep Chand. Dr. Lajpat Rai Memorial Award for high rank in MCET, donated by Mr. Ritesh Mathur, goes to Yash, son of Nitin Kumar. Shri Deep Sagar Memorial Award for completion of BTech Computer Science Engineering, donated by Mrs. Deep Sagar, goes to Pratisht, son of Praveen Kumar. Shri Sham Raj Memorial Award for completion of BTech Computer Science Engineering, donated by late Srimati Sham Raj, goes to Nikhil, son of Sudeep Narayan. Shri Dev Karan Memorial Award for completion of BTech Mechanical, donated by Mr. Uma Karan. There is no recipient. Shri Sartaj Parshad Memorial Award for completion of BTech Computer Science Engineering, donated by Mrs. Sumeta Hari, goes to Nihal, son of Rajesh Chandra. Shri Binbasni Parshad Memorial Award for completion of BCom, donated by Mr. Kesar Raj. There is no recipient. Shri Premraj Mathur Memorial Award for completion of BDS, donated by Mr. Vinod Raj. There is no recipient. Shri Sandeep Sinha Memorial Award for completion of BBA, donated by Mr. Radhe Kishan Sinha. There is no recipient. Srimati Gulab Kishori and Shri Rang Parshad Memorial Award for degree in unconventional course this year for completion of B Pharmacy, donated by Mrs. Asha Sunil Kumar, goes to Tanvi, daughter of Dr. Sailesh Kumar. Shri Uday Chandra Memorial Award for completion of MBBS or MD or MPT this year for completion of Masters in Physiotherapy, donated by late Dr. Vinod Chandra, goes to Dr. Nidhi, daughter of Rajesh Chandra. Shri Bridjivan Chandra Memorial Award for high rank in NEET PG level, donated by Dr. Manoj Chandra, goes to Dr. Sakshi, daughter of Sudeep Chandra. Dr. Lajpat Rai Memorial Award for admission to MTech or MS, this year for admission to MS, donated by Mr. Ritesh Mathur, goes to Nihal, son of Rajesh Chandra. Professor Shamla Mathur Memorial Award for completion of ME or MS, this year for completion of MS, donated by Dr. Ram Raj, goes to Ashrit, son of Rakesh Mathur. Shri Raj Karan Bali Memorial Award for completion of ME or MS, this year for completion of MS, donated by Mr. Sailesh Bali, goes to Shresh, son of Ashish Kumar. Shri Mateshwari Parshad Memorial Award for completion of PG or MS, this year for completion of MS, donated by Dr. Bhagwan Parshad, goes to Amitesh, son of Udayvant Mathur. Shri Mateshwari Parshad Memorial Award for completion of PG or MS, this year for completion of MS, donated by Dr. Bhagwan Parshad, goes to Anirudh, son of Sri Chandra. Dr. Rabinandan Pratap Memorial Award for Research After PG, donated by late Dr. Rabinandan Pratap, goes to Riti, wife of Nitish Narayan. HMK Education and Welfare Society congratulates all the recipients for their academic accomplishments.
It is my proud privilege and honor to invite our chief guest, Dr. Kavita Karan, to address the students.
Dr. Kavita Karan is a professor in the School of Journalism at the Southern Illinois University, Carbondale, Illinois, United States. Dr. Karan is an accomplished teacher, researcher, and an administrator. Dr. Karan is a first-class and award-winning student throughout her career. She has worked her way up through hard work and diligence. After her initial education in Hyderabad, Dr. Karan received her PhD from the prestigious London School of Economics and Political Science after winning the Nehru Centenary British Fellowship from the Government of India way back in 1989. In recognition of her years of scholarship, in October 2018, she was awarded the prestigious Mahatma Gandhi Samman Award by the Non-Resident Society of India that recognizes renowned scholars from across the world. The award was presented at the Ceremony of Global Excellence at the House of Commons, Parliament House, London. Dr. Karan has over 30 years of teaching and research experience in the field of journalism and mass communication. Dr. Karan's research has been exemplary. She has extensively presented papers at international conferences across the world. She has presented over 70 papers at conferences. Her publications span 25 papers in reputed academic journals, 29 book chapters, and 5 books to her credit. She has supervised over 30 master's and PhD theses and dissertations. Dr. Kavita Karan owes her success to the best education, discipline, good values, and support that was given to her by her family, her parents, Dr. and Mrs. Shivraj Mathur, siblings, Dr. Rohit Raj Mathur and Dr. Sujita Mathur, and their spouses Sangeeta and Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur, who also extensively serve the HMK community. She also remembers the support of her in-laws, Mrs. and Mr. Maharaj Karan, and of course, she owes a lot to her ever-supportive, patient and appreciative husband, Mr. Ravi Karan, and her grown-up children, Rohan, Rashmi and Kunal Karan. Dr. Kavita Karan would like to congratulate the HMK President, Dr. Dinesh Raj Mathur, and all the committee members for the tremendous effort that they are putting up to keep the regular educational and cultural activities alive in these difficult times.
Hello and greetings from the United States. Dear members of the HMK community and the Educational Subcommittee, it is indeed a pleasure and an honor to be the chief guest at one of the most important functions of the HMK family that applauds and honors academic excellence and gives scholarships to our young achievers. Many decades back, I was also one of the recipients of this award, and I still remember the sense of pride and happiness on receiving the awards at the functions at Malvala Palace. And in recent years, my sons have also been recipients of these awards, so it's all very nostalgic for me. For some of you, these awards may be the beginnings of the many that you will receive in future. But this one from the family you will remember forever. So many congratulations to all the successful toppers and the winners of the awards, and a worthy recognition of all the candidates who may have missed the awards by just a few points. But there is always a next time. It improves the competitive spirit. There are a few things that are important in achieving success. As an academic, throughout my life, and I have seen a lot of students graduate, the pride of seeing them succeed in life bring loads of joy and happiness. It's a sense of fulfillment for teachers. In the many of the functions that I address and encourage students, I do tend to emphasize and share some of my viewpoints with the young minds of tomorrow. Excellence in academics is of course essential. Along with that, there is a need to have a positive attitude, to aspire, need for good time management, to give and gain respect. The possibilities of life are endless, and the need is to take up the challenges, as well as a few risks. Risks help you to develop the confidence and courage, and of course, at the end of the day, life is also to enjoy. I will quickly tune into exemplifying some of my own viewpoints and my personal experiences. Of course, the first thing is academics. As part of the Mathur community, the focus on excellence, on academic excellence, is always been the priority. We as enthusiastic parents, our lives revolve around schoolwork and tuitions. It is necessary in this competitive world, but there is always room for fun and play. It is good to be focused, to keep a few goals in mind and pursue them with hard work and dedication. It's also good to try out new things, some creative activity, read something different, and also it will help you to look for an alternate career in future. The second important aspect that I would think is time management. It's a common complaint that we don't have time. But let me tell you, that is not correct. All great persons, whether it was Einstein or Steve Jobs, or you and me, we all have the same 24 hours to achieve what we want and what they have done and what we want to do. It has been my mantra too, to have a to-do list, something that we want to do at the end, to finish at the end of the day. A time management plan gives you focus and drives you to get things done. Write it down or post it on your phone and strike off as soon as you are finished doing it. In a day, you may not achieve all the 5 ones, but even when you complete 3 or 4, it will give you a sense of achievement and also make you happy. Even at this time, I still note down the work that I have to do at office and college, and I still have time to come back home and make the dinner or the samosas, whatever is needed for the family. The next thing is taking risks. Every change is always a learning opportunity. It is difficult to move out of our comfort zones, but that movement is the key to open doors of opportunity. So be proactive and make the move. There will be failures. Failures cause disappointments, but they will increase your confidence and courage to make better decisions in life. We should get into the water that we will swim through, not with the fear that we will drown. The next thing is aspiration. A good way to succeed is to aspire to do well. And to aspire, you need some player. We need to have some role model. So it is good to have some role models. Anyone that you like most, a scientist, a cricketer, a fashion designer, or anywhere from Indra Nooyi to Nadella. Read about people, follow them, look at their vision, see their success stories. That will make you move ahead. The spirit would be, if they can do it, so can I. The next thing is self-respect and respect for the elders. As I said in the beginning, there is a word called attitude. It was not a term that was so common in our generation. However, it has become a very common behavioral pattern now. Many parents and teachers are finding it difficult to deal with this tech-savvy generation of know-it-all. But let me tell you, you don't know it all. It would help you to really listen and gain the knowledge and experiences from the elders. Listening is important, and the need is to show respect. And when you do that, you will be showered with love, best, and blessings. That is what life is all about. Having a positive, respectful attitude. Let's move on to play. It'll bring a smile to our faces. And computer games, never mind the family board games. They are extinct now. Computer games are good and bad, so enjoy them. It's a great diversion from the studies. So keep some time in your timetable for play. My husband's and my life has revolved around our sons with Nintendos, Xboxes, and PlayStations. These games are great stress relievers, but don't get addicted to them and let it not be a cause of fight between your parents. Even I enjoy one or two games of solitaire and other games that are there. My iPad is my gamepad. So let games be part of your life, but not an obsession. So life is about achieving one's dreams. No matter what you do, do it with full passion and enthusiasm. I think I have shared quite a few of my thoughts with all the young people. Let me move on, and I would like to recognize the parents. The success of children goes in a big way to the parents. Congratulations to all the parents of the award winners and all the successful children at every level of graduation, from kindergarten to post-graduation. Children and young persons, every milestone that you take, there is always a sense of smile and a tear of joy amongst your parents. Even as you receive these awards today, there will always be the parents who are holding on to their smartphones to capture that happy moment for a fond remembrance and also for WhatsApp. So congratulations to the parents. And children, as you are listening to me, please get up and give them a big round of applause. And life is not easy. Success is not easy. It's a part of hard work and committed and continued dedication to what you want to achieve and what you want to do. So again, congratulations to high achievers of today. And I'm sure many and almost all of you are in the line to reach these positions in the future. So move on, and we all wish you the very best in life. Make us proud with your success. And once again, the very best to you. I would also like to thank the HMK and the dedicated work of Dr. Sulochana Mathur and the Educational Subcommittee, who are tirelessly working to recognize the young achievers and encouraging the competitive spirit to move ahead and make the community proud. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Kavita, for your inspirational words and advice. I'm sure the students of our Biradri will imbibe the values and raise the standard of academic excellence and take the name of HMK to greater heights. It's time now to honor the top 3 meritorious students of our Biradri.
As we come to the last segment of the award ceremony, we take pride to honor the Students of the Year and the outstanding Mathur Kayastha. Shri Sushil Kumar Memorial Student of the Year Award 2020, donated by late Dr. Beena Mathur, goes to Nikhil, son of Sudeep Narayan. From the several awards and trophies he has won since he was at school, Nikhil Mathur, son of Dr. Swati and Sudeep Narayan Mathur, comes across as an extraordinarily gifted scholar. Right from his school days, he has been actively participating and winning in a plethora of literary and cultural events like elocution, essay writing, drawing and painting, fancy dress, flower arrangement, and many more. He received the award for the Best Outgoing Junior Scientist, Best Outgoing Student, and served as the head boy in Class 10. On the academic front, he secured a GPA of 10 on 10 in Class 10 board examinations. As a collegian, studying at the National Institute of Technology Warangal, formerly known as REC Warangal in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Nikhil has factored in TEDx NIT Warangal, Innovation Garage, and Kalam, a startup, to satiate his intellectual curiosity while keeping his enviable academic scores at NIT Warangal unblemished. He has made his parents proud by bagging the prestigious institution Merit Scholarship in all 4 years of his undergraduate study. He secured one of the highest on-campus packages in his department and began his corporate journey as an associate engineer at Qualcomm. Shri Jagdish Mohan Lal Memorial Student of the Year Award 2020, donated by Mr. Rinesh Mohan Lal, goes to Tanvi, daughter of Dr. Sailesh Kumar. Tanvi Mathur is currently pursuing Masters of Science in Pharmacology with tuition aid and scholarship at the University of Minnesota Medical School in Minneapolis, USA. In the future, she aims to pursue a PhD in the field of pharmacology and then to conduct groundbreaking research to solve the most challenging obstacles faced by modern medicine. As a graduate student, her current research is based on finding novel treatments for breast cancer. When not in her lab, she also works at the Department of Emergency Medicine and Boynton Hospital at the university. During her undergraduate studies at SNV College of Pharmacy in Hyderabad, she assisted her professor Dr. B. Harika with her research consulting in 2 research papers. She completed a certificate course with Harvard Medical School on pharmacology and physiology, where she learned about new ways to combat cancer. In the industry, she has worked in pharma companies around Hyderabad. While pursuing her undergraduate studies, she has worked in the marketing and PR department at ISEC, an international student-run voluntary organization for young people to explore and develop their leadership potential by sending them on international internship experiences. She displayed her leadership skills by taking up the role of supervisor for volunteers at the 50th Annual Union World Conference on Lung Health held in Hyderabad, India. Professor G. Krishan Raj Memorial Outstanding Mathur Kayastha Award 2020, donated by the family members, goes to Reeti, wife of Nitish Narayan. The HMK Education and Welfare Society is pleased to award its Outstanding Mathur Kayastha Award for 2020 to Mrs. Reeti Mathur, wife of Nitish Narayan Mathur, for her excellent contribution and achievements in the field of computing, research and design. Reeti had a successful academic and extracurricular record at Geetanjali School in Hyderabad. After graduating with a Bachelor's in Technology IT degree, she pursued her double master's degrees from Illinois State University and Indiana University, USA. She has 4 international publications of her research work in the field of web accessibility, human-computer interactions, and artificial intelligence. Her research primarily contributed to designing solutions to elevate the user experience of the blind community by improving the accessibility of social media and web applications, as well as creating novel techniques comprising artificial intelligence and wearable devices to address solutions to the core accessibility problems in web and mobile functionalities. As a child, she excelled in various academic and extracurricular activities. Apart from bringing several laurels and cash awards while representing Gitanjali School, she was also the finalist in Derek O'Brien's Bonvita Confidence Championship. She led her school choir and released a nationwide cassette of Hindu vocal music and was awarded the Best All-Rounder for 3 times consecutively. A trained Bharatanatyam dancer, she had the privilege to perform in front of the then President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. She is currently working as a product designer for Veriday Inc. Mississauga, Canada. At this fintech company, Reeti drives Veriday's biggest digital product that caters to the registered investment advisors of leading banks of Canada and USA. This society recognizes her talent, congratulates her for the laurels she has brought to the Biradari, and wishes her all the very best for all her future endeavors. HMK Education and Welfare Society wishes to congratulate and applaud all the recipients for their academic performance and wishes them good luck in all their future endeavors.
I take this opportunity to thank all the office bearers of HMK for gracing the occasion today. I now invite Dr. Swati Narayan to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening. On behalf of HMK Guidance Bureau and Counseling Center, I, Swati Narayan, would like to propose the vote of thanks. Firstly, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Kavita Karan, for gracing today's event and sharing a few words with all our Biradari members. I would like to extend our gratitude to our President, Dr. Dinesh Raj, for his continued help and support, making sure all the events are conducted smoothly. I would also like to thank our chairperson, Dr. Sulochana, for presenting a report of the activities conducted by the committee and sharing her valuable insights. A big thank you to all the sponsors of various awards that were given today. These awards encourage and motivate our Biradari students to keep excelling in their respective fields and make us all proud. I would also like to thank all the committee members for their support, and a special thanks goes to Dr. Manoj Chandra for his untiring efforts in pulling off the event. Lastly, I would like to thank all the Biradari members from around the world for taking time out of their busy schedules and attending today's event. In grim times like these, all of us together sincerely appreciate the efforts put in by the HMK committees in organizing various virtual events that help the members of our Biradari reconnect and celebrate together. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Swati. As we come to the end of a glittering Foresight 2020 award ceremony, I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem or keep their hand on their hearts as a mark of respect for the nation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे